James, it's nice seeing you in TGFM. I know this is I'm not sure if it's your first exhibition you're participating in terms of franchise?
Yes, it is. Yeah, the first one.
How do you see it so far?
Yeah, it's good. We've had some good quality clients come and visit us, generally from in the region and across from India as well. So it's been quite productive. We've got a few leads to follow up after the show.
Great. James, quick question. How the whole concept, how did you create it, Spun Candy? What was your inspiration?
So back in 2011, I worked with another candy company in central London, and I saw the demand really for experiential retail within the UK. And I wanted to create a standalone store. I looked at an iconic area within London, which is Covent Garden, and wanted to create like this Willy Wonka style candy store. So we started off with that store there, and then we immediately grew out into the UAE in 2014. And from there we've really extended the brand on, developed new products, and one of the biggest part of our business is the experience for the consumer coming in, learning how to make lollipops. We're not just a retail store, but they actually can get hands-on with the product, understand the science of confectionery as well.
That's great. And you started with Candylicious, right, in Dubai Mall when you started in Dubai, or there was any other?
No, it's Candylicious. We started in 2014. We opened in Dubai Mall opposite the aquarium, and then we opened in Yas Mall over in Abu Dhabi. And since then, we've opened in DXB Airport as well with a small concession and another one in Dubai Mall.
Great. And now, if I want to ask you a question related to your expansion, where do you see Spun Candy as an owner, as as someone who owns this business, and the implementation of this business, rather than consultants telling you, for example, you need to be in so and so countries? As an owner, where do you see Spun Candy?
I think the business has evolved from what we first started it off as, of just being a candy store. It's now an experience for people. So where we're looking to focus is on anywhere around where there's kids or families, corporates want to come in and learn to do something. So we're targeting other areas, mainly in the GCC at the moment, and then we'll go further afield to expand out into Southeast Asia and possibly China. We do have one store in Miami at the moment, which was a very different location for us, and at some point we will expand into the US, but our concentration is on the GCC at this time.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot, James, for your time.
Thank you so much.